I just want to clarify before we dive in that there are two versions of WordPress. It's one of the most common misunderstandings and questions that I get asked. There is the free blogging platform available at WordPress.com, and then there is the self-hosted WordPress.org version. This means that you have to purchase hosting separately and install the WordPress software on your website. This is what the majority of people are referring to when they say WordPress. It's an open source, meaning free, content management system that requires hosting, but that you can do anything with. For this course, I'm referring to the WordPress.org version. So some of the benefits are, it's inexpensive to get started. You'll just need to register a domain name and purchase website hosting. You'll have access to almost an unlimited number of premium WordPress themes to update the styling of your site whenever you choose. You'll have access to all of the WordPress plugins to extend the functionality of your site. You can create any kind of website, such as a blog, a portfolio website, an online store, a landing page, even a marketplace like eBay. You can add any kind of features you like with free plugins, galleries, bookings, e-commerce, courses, you name it. And you'll maintain full control and own all the rights to your website. A recent update that I did want to cover quickly is that WordPress now offer their own premium paid packages, similar to Squarespace. Their business package gives you all the benefits of a WordPress.org self-hosted site, including the ability to install themes and free plugins, but you'll also receive email and live chat support whenever you need it. At $25 per month, it is significantly more expensive than regular hosting, but you may find that extra few bucks invaluable to you and your business. It's a new option that they have just launched, I believe to compete with Squarespace, but it's a pretty cool option to be aware of. The first step in creating a blog or a website is 1. Registering a domain name, your website address, and 2. Purchasing hosting so your website can be viewed live. I recommend Namecheap and Bluehost. Namecheap is a full provider of domains, hosting and SSL certificates. They're my favourite provider because they offer the quickest and most helpful customer service I've ever experienced from a web provider. And I really appreciate registering everything with one provider because it makes managing and renewals so much easier. Bluehost offers cheap and solid web hosting if you're just starting out with a personal blog or a small business website. They're not suitable for high traffic commercial or e-commerce sites. For those, I'd recommend Namecheap. All the best hosting companies allow you to install WordPress within a few clicks. In most circumstances, installing WordPress is a simple process that takes less than 5 minutes to complete. You can also ask your hosting provider nicely if they'll do it for you, and they usually will for free.